turn this one.
Open. Good. So this is the mini rod, right? Mm-hmm. This is the travel rod. Good. Yep, pull that one out. Good. And we want to make sure that all the eyelets, all the guides are lined up, right? And this is what we're going to take on our camping adventures. All right, show me what you're using. Little crappy topwater jig. What's that, Rhys? What are we targeting?
Yeah, crappie.
And then what have we caught here before?
A lot of bass and
some crappie. So crappie, bass, and we don't want any turtles, right? All right, man, let's do it. You're chumming. Got some turtle feed. Oh, they're there. Give it a little bit more of a cast. Nice. I do see him looking at it. I think you got to work on the action. Yeah, that's a good cast, man. So let's walk across the shore. We'll find fish. He's on? Oh, I got it recording too. Oh, he's huge. Oh, he's huge. Bluegill, hold it up. That thing is like nice. All right, catch and release. You want to fish? I would fish everything on the way to your bass spot. I mean, you're working the shoreline. Yeah, I like that. This is one of your bass spots. It's a little deeper, isn't it? Sure you don't hook that tree above you. Throw it on them. You want to throw it kind of behind them or to the fish are like, I'm not eating that. It doesn't look natural right here because you're out of the canopy of the tree. Now there are a couple decent bass in this pond. I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that. That'd be cool. Kind of hoping that he swims into where we're casting. Yep. It's grassy. Damn. Like I said, don't throw it. The bass right there, right there you go. You're kind of behind. That's good. Oh, that one's kind of big.
Yeah.
Out there, wow, he's actually decent size. You move around, they see you. Just fish it like you are, like reel at a pause, reel at a pause.
Oh, you see him? He moved. Oh, I got one.
You got him?
I got one.
Oh, you got something. Let's see what we got.
I don't know. Bass. Right,
You got a little bass?
Yeah.
Looks like it. Go ahead and see if you can get it picked up. Show us. You sure did, man.
Right where
Show me. Show me again. Good. Oh, turn it sideways a little bit. Because I was, yeah, there you go. Good. Now I'm going to catch and release.
Ooh, that's the big, big one.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Got all that weeds. Can you lift them up out of there?
No.
Here.
It's a nice bass. I caught a bass and then I hooked it and then he got stuck in the weeds and now he's just laying there.